Great, so you want to know how to add custom tabs in the free version of Elementor. Normally you can only do this in Elementor Pro, which is the paid version, but with this secret method you can easily add custom tabs in the free version. You will also see that it is not that hard to do. Even I can do it, and I am only 12 years old, so I know you can do it. Hey, make sure to watch till the end, since I have decided to let you join my paid internet membership club for free. In this video I will provide you with a private access code to join the club, so make sure to watch to the end. You'll need this code to gain access to the club. Now my friend Amar will show you his secret way to add these cool tabs in Elementor. Take it away, Amar.
Hello everyone, today I'll show you how we can create this type of tabs using default Elementor tabs widget. We will not use any type of third-party plugin, just some HTML and CSS and Elementor. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is a blank page and I want to insert the tab in this section. So let's search for the tab widget and drop it in here. So as you can see, we have two tabs and we can add as many as I want. So we have three tabs now. As you can see, tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to assign a class in our tab widget. So let's go to the advanced and let's add a class. So I'm naming it pro_tab. You can name it whatever you want. So this is our tab class. So what we need to do next is we need to add some HTML code in this title area. So to make this title like icon and these ones, we need to insert some font or some icon and the title. So what we can do, you can open your code editor. So let's for the first one we need to insert a clipboard icon. So the code for clipboard icon, so this code is for clipboard icon. So what we will do, you will wrap this icon with a div. So let's add a div. Let's add a class of I'm naming it tab icon, tab_icon, and let's close the div. We wrap this icon with a div, and also we need to add the title. So our first tab title will be overview. So let's insert the text and let's also wrap it with a div. Let's add a class also. I'm naming it tab title, and let's close the tab. So what I did, I added this font to some icon code. So this is FA clipboard for clipboard icon, and wrapped it with a div called tab icon. Also I inserted the title and wrapped the title with the class name tab title. So we are done. We can make it in one line. So this is our whole code. So let's copy this code and insert in the title area. So this area support HTML as well. So just delete the text and insert the code in here. As you can see in the title area, we are now seeing this icon and this title. So same rules for the other tab as well. Let me duplicate this. Just change the icon code in here and change the title in here. For the next, let's duplicate this code and let's add an icon of let's map pin, font or some icon code, and let's change this title to something like map, let's say map, and copy the whole code and insert to tab number 2. Same goes for the tab number 3. So just duplicate this, all of this, and let's change the icon code if questions for the question and answer tabs, and name this question and answer Q&A or FAQ. And okay, so copy this and insert it in here. So as you can see, all of our tab has now icon and the title. So let's save it and let's preview it. So as you can see, we have a tab and all the tab has icon and title. Let's remove this border from this tab. So go to the style tab and let's make the border width to 0 so that no border is visible. As you can see, no border is visible. So now we need to add some CSS code. So you can add it in your theme style CSS or the customizer. So I am going to customizer and go to custom CSS or advanced CSS. So in here I will add the CSS code for this tab. So first of all, we need to target the tab icons. So we need to make this tab icon bigger and we need to add a border around it. So let's target this class we have added, tab icon, and we need to give it a padding. So let's give it padding. I'm giving it 25 pixel by 45 pixel. So as you can see, padding is now added. We need to add a border around this icon. So let's add a border. Border 1 pixel solid, and give the color. Nice border is now added, and we can add a margin bottom to separate this title from the border. So let's add a margin bottom to, let's say, be 20 pixel. So as you can see, the title is now pushed down. So now let's target this icon itself. As you can see, it's very tiny and not the original color. So let's target the tab icon and the I tag, because we have inserted the, because the tag of our icon was I, as you can see in here. So let's target this I tag and let's add some CSS on it. First of all, we need to make this icon size bigger. So let's increase the font size. Font size 40 pixels maybe. Okay, and let's change the color. So let's change the color to something grayish color. I'm giving it A5, A2, A2. So this is a good color for our icon, and let's make this icon aligned in center. So text align center. So now our icon is ready. So as you can see, if I hover over to this icon, nothing happens. So let's add the hover over effect. So let's copy the icon class and add hover. Let's add a background the same color as the border. As you can see, now the background color is showing in hover. So when we hover, we need to also change the color of this icon as well. So let's copy this tab icon, hover I, and change the color to white. So now if I hover over to this tab, the icon color is now changing to white. So our icon section is now ready. So let's go to this title section. So the class for our title was tab title. We need to increase the font size. Let's give it 14 pixel. And let's make the text style transformation to uppercase. Text transform uppercase. And let's make the text align center. Text align center. And let's change the color to gray color or any color you want. So let's give it 4F, 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 4F. So now perfectly aligned. Now our title is perfectly aligned. So now the top part is done, but when we choose the other tab, as you can see, the tab is not highlighted. So let's make this active tab highlighted. So the class for our whole tab was pro tab. So let's target this class, and after that we need to target the class of this active div, active tab. So the class for that tab is Elementor active. So Elementor dash active. This is the class for active tab, and we need to target this active tab and the tab icon. So within the active tab we need to target the tab icon. So tab icon, and let's change the background to this one. And also we need to duplicate this code and add I, so that when this tab is active, the icon color is also changed to white. So color white. So now as you can see, our active tab is now showing in white. Let's hit the publish button and refresh this page. As you can see, our tab is not done. You can also style the content area based on this area. So this is the tutorial for this icon tab. So I hope you guys learned something new.
Wow, that was easy. Now you know how to install and add custom buttons in the free version of Elementor. If you are just starting out and need hosting and a domain name, make sure to check out the link below for SiteGround hosting. You will find they have very fast and reliable hosting for a great price. They also have a lot of very positive reviews, so that should mean they are doing something right. Also, to get the free or pro version of Elementor, see the link in the description below. Finally, since you took the time to watch this video till the end, you can access some of my paid courses for free today. You just need to look for the link in the description that says, Free Private Access. Once you click on that link, you will see an access web page. All you need to do to gain free access to the private membership club is type in 7654. You can then join my internet marketing membership club for free. I also listed some other very useful information below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to like and click the notification bell to get updates. I should also mention that I have a video on using Elementor with WordPress, so look for it in the links below so you can get started fast. Okay, until next time, take care.